welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a fall 2020 decor haul. I went to Hobby Lobby and picked up a ton of stuff. They were having a 40% off, so I picked up a ton of stuff for fall 2020. I know it is early, but shopping in the store, a ton of stuff was already picked over, especially in the floral arrangement section. There was maybe only like one or two little bunches of each thing. A ton of pumpkins were picked over and a lot of their kitchen stuff as well. So I grabbed everything that I liked in case it wasn't there when I went back, but I will have everything linked down below for you guys in case you guys are online shoppers and you do not go in stores. So I'll have everything linked down below. But before we go ahead and get into the haul, let's go and show you some things that they had at Hobby Lobby. I obviously did not buy the whole store, so I'm going to go ahead and show you some of the stuff that they have. I fell in love with literally all of their stuff this year. They had so many different just color options and just options to decorate your home. They had traditional colors, they had buffalo check and neutrals and whites and blacks. They even had a cheetah print section, which was really cute if you're into that. They had a ton of stuff for that, a ton of farmhouse stuff, and just a lot of fall related things at Hobby Lobby, which I was super excited to go ahead and shop at. I know it is early, but since I am a YouTuber, I like to get the content out early for you guys in case you want to go ahead and watch some videos before you go out and go shopping. So that is why I have this fall 2020 decor haul out for you guys in July. I know it's early, but I decorate in August. So next month I'm going to be decorating my home for the fall time and I am super excited. But before we go ahead and jump into the haul, let's go see what Hobby Lobby has, and once we get back, I will show you everything. I went with just a ton of different color schemes. That's what I plan on doing throughout my home. I have some traditional colors, some neutrals, and just some fun prints on pumpkins. So let's go ahead and show you everything that I got. Like I said, everything was 40% off. I do not know the exact prices that I paid for everything, but I know what they originally are. So you can do the math if you want to on the 40% off. The first thing that I got, which I think was one of my favorite finds, was this black wired tiered tray, I guess you want to call it. But my idea for this was to fill it with some little pumpkins, which is what I'm going to do. I even want to go ahead and go back and grab another one for my kitchen just because it is so cute and you can use it year round. This just isn't a fall piece, so I could use this for Christmas and Halloween and even the springtime. So I'm super excited about this. This was only $14 with 40% off. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you what my idea for this is. So I got this bag of pumpkins. It has the buffalo check and then just some white ones. This was $10 with 40% off. And I'm going to go ahead and go with the white and black theme in my laundry room since that's kind of what it already is. So my idea for this was to fill it with some little pumpkins, which I think will be really cute. This isn't exactly how I'm going to do it, but just to kind of give you an idea of what you can do with this tiered tray. So here are the pumpkins. Turn it around so you can see. So I think this is really cute. I also got a box of neutral color pumpkins that I could throw in here as well with some fillers, but I think this is really cute. You could even add like a bow to the top or something, but this is what I have in mind for this. That was probably one of my favorite finds just because I can use it year round. Next, I got this little pumpkin stem. It was $2, so probably only $1.50 or something with the 40% off, but it is just a regular white little pumpkin. It is a pick, so you can stick it in a floral arrangement or you can use it in a wreath. I make all of my seasonal wreaths here at my home, so this I needed for either the wreath or the floral arrangement, and it was only $2, so it was very inexpensive. I have a Halloween wreath tutorial here at my channel, so if you want to go ahead and see how I make my wreaths, you can go ahead and check that out. I will have it linked down below, but here is this little white pumpkin stem that you can never have too many of these. Next, with you cannot have too many, is just this white basic pumpkin. Like I said, you can never have too many of these in your home for the fall time. I actually, now that I'm thinking about it, I really only have the bigger ones and the tinier ones. So this medium one is definitely one that I needed. I want to go ahead and do a big one and then the medium one and then a small one on one of my entryway tables. So I think that'll be really cute. This was only $7 with that 40% off. Just your white basic pumpkin, but you can never have too many of those. And since we are doing pumpkins, I'm gonna go ahead and show you these 3 that I got for my daughter for her outside playhouse. I'm gonna go ahead and decorate that for the fall and Halloween time, which I'm super excited about. I also got these for her bedroom as well. They were only $4 a piece with 40% off, so I probably got all 3 of these for under $10. And they are just the blush pink color. I also don't know what kind of theme I want to do in her playroom for the fall time, because I do plan on decorating that for fall, Halloween, and Christmas this year. So I got these 3 little pink pumpkins, which I love how they are just like a blush. They're not too bright and they look really pretty next to the white ones. I will show you for comparison, but the pink one and the white one. So super pretty neutral color, and it also goes with the other box of pumpkins that I got, the white and then even this little blue color. They just all look really cute together, so I might go back and grab a few more of these since they were so inexpensive. And if you guys watch my channel, you know that I am obsessed with light pink, so that was a good find. I'll go ahead and show you this next little box that I got of pumpkins. I was using these for little decorations, but this was only $12, and then again 40% off, and it came with a ton of different shades and shapes of pumpkins. It is more of like a neutral toned box of pumpkins. So it came with all 4 of these colors, which are super pretty. I think I'm gonna go ahead and do this theme in my kitchen and just keep it very neutral in there. It also came with some fillers as well. So again, I could decorate that black little tray with all of these neutral color pumpkins, and I feel like that would look really good. So I was super excited that I found a box of these just to go ahead and use as fillers throughout my home. Next, I'll go ahead and show you this pail that I got. It's like a pitcher, and I'm gonna go ahead and stick this right here on my dining room table and fill it with a fall floral arrangement. This, as well as the black tiered little tray thing, were both on the bottom shelf at Hobby Lobby, so if you go shopping there, make sure you look down below and up high, because you will normally find the best pieces in those spots. They're like hiding from people or something, but this is just a white and black little pitcher, and it has some distressing on it. I feel like this just screams fall. I do have a white pitcher that I use for the summertime from Target, but I feel like it doesn't scream fall like this one does. So I'm gonna go ahead and use this right here on this dining room table. This was only $13, and again 40% off, so super inexpensive, and it's just tin, so if it fell it probably would not break, which is good when you have a little toddler running around. Next, I'll go ahead and show you this pumpkin garland that I got. I actually had the gray one in my cart before I went ahead and checked out. I ran back and switched it out for this burnt orange one, because I'm gonna go ahead and put this on our fireplace mantle for the fall time, and it's just a burnt orange little crochet pumpkin garland. It was $13 with 40% off, but our living room has that dark stoned fireplace, and we have like a piece of cedar wood as the mantle, and it's a dark color, so I feel like this will just complement that very well. I usually have a strand of yellow, red, and orange leaves on the fireplace, but this year I'm gonna go ahead and do these pumpkins and just keep it nice and simple. And I love the burnt orange color. I think it'll look really good on that fireplace. Next, I went ahead and picked up this stem of velvet cream colored pumpkins. I thought this was so cute. This actually like reminds me of Cinderella for some reason, but I just love this color, and I'm going to use this in the planter here in my kitchen. Right now it's filled with greenery and lemons, but for the fall time I'm going to go with a more neutral with some burnt colors in there. So I thought this was super cute. This was only $7, and then again 40% off. I just love the pumpkins, and I love the little curly stems on it. I just think it's super cute. Next, I went ahead and got this beautiful stem of just a copper color, like a burnt copper color for the dining room for the planter over there, to go ahead and go with this. They had a ton of different shades of this. It has like a glitter to it as well, and I just think this color is so beautiful. I also want to go back and get the lighter one of this just because I feel like it would go really well with these pumpkins. This was more expensive. This was $20, but again 40% off. But I just thought it was super cute and pretty, and I absolutely love it. I cannot wait to decorate with this. But so I got that, and I'll try to maybe get like a better color of it because I know the light makes it look different. The last thing I got, and I think my favorite thing that I found at Hobby Lobby, were these 3 pumpkins. These are like a wicker pumpkin, and I want to go ahead and do a theme in one of the rooms in my home. I'm thinking I'm going to go ahead and do it right here on the dining room table. I just think it'll complement the little floral arrangement that I'm doing in the planter really well. Also, when I saw these, my mom she still decorates for all of the seasons, but she has a lot of wickered pumpkins, and they look just like that. And I just remember growing up and decorating with her, and her having these all around the house. So when I saw these, I knew I had to have them just because every time I see them, it'll remind me of my childhood and how we used to decorate. But it came with these 3 different shades of them, and I absolutely love them. When I saw them, I had to have them. I might even go back and grab another set just because I love them so much. But I just love the wicker theme, and again, they remind me of my mom and my home when I was growing up. So I absolutely love these. How much were these? These were only $14, so again 40% off, but I just love these. I think these are my favorite find at Hobby Lobby. They're just super cute, and I love them. Again, they remind me of my childhood, so I had to have those, and I think I'm going to put them right here on the table with this picture and maybe some of these colors to go in here. But that is everything from Hobby Lobby. I hope you guys enjoyed this fall decor haul 2020. If you guys did, make sure you give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you are not already. I hope this brought you some fall decorating inspiration, and if you are not going to go out and buy anything, I just hope this brought you joy, especially if you like to decorate. I get so excited when the fall season starts to come because I know the holidays are coming up, and decorating and just all the fun stuff that comes with the fall and Halloween and Thanksgiving and Christmas. I am a little kid at heart when it comes to the seasons, and I just love decorating my home and making my home feel fun and cozy and warm in that time. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up. We'll also have everything linked down below for you guys so it's easy to find. But I hope you guys enjoyed, and let me know down below if you guys had started shopping for fall yet or when you plan to. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye guys!